Hello. Watching this video, you will get to know how to enroll users on training with the use of previously defined organization structure. Enjoy the tutorial. To enroll users on training, expand the Learning Objects Management module on the left side of the screen and then select the Learning Objects option. After displaying the learning objects on the screen, select the one that you are interested in. Using the Action button in the upper right corner, expand the menu and click Enroll Users. In the first step on the next screen, you have to select the Choose Organization Structure button. The previously created organization structure will be displayed. Choose one or several departments or divisions within your company. If you select more than one, the next screen will display all users assigned to each of them. Click Next. On this screen, you can exclude particular users from the list if you do not want them to be enrolled on training. Click Next to move to the third step. Here, you can define the period of time in which the users have access to the specific learning object by clicking on the dates in the calendar. You can either indicate the period of time or allow access for an indefinite period by clicking on the appropriate option. If you click Next, you will go to the last step, where you will see a summary of your choices. Check if everything is correct and click Save. You provided your users with access to the training. If email notification options in the learning object were defined, they have just been informed about it. And that's it. Have a look at our other materials to freely use all the features Edolando.com gives you.